Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into TikTok Ads Manager, create and manage ads step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to ads.tiktok, click the login button on the top right of the page. Choose the login method you want, such as email, phone number, or TikTok account. If you are using email, type your email address and your password carefully. If you are using phone, enter your country code and your phone number, then your password. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. Complete any verification step, such as a code sent to your email or phone. After logging in, select the correct account if you manage more than one TikTok Ads account. On the dashboard, confirm your time zone and currency settings are correct for your business. Go to Tools and open Account Setup to check your business information. Add or verify your business name, billing address, and tax details if required in your region. Open the Payment section and add a payment method like credit card or balance top-up. Make sure your account is funded or your payment method is active so ads can run smoothly. From the top menu, click Campaign to start building your first ad. Click Create and choose a campaign objective like traffic, leads, or sales. Name your campaign clearly so you can find it later in reports. Set your budget type and daily or lifetime budget based on your plan. Move to the ad group level and choose your promotion type and placements. Select your audience by location, age, gender, interests, and behaviors. Choose a bidding and optimization goal that matches your objective. Set a schedule by selecting start and end dates, or run continuously. Go to the ad level and select your identity, like your TikTok account or a custom display name. Upload your video creative or use the built-in tools to create a video. Write your ad text and add a strong call to action button like Shop Now or Learn More. Enter your website URL or app link and confirm it opens correctly. Install the TikTok Pixel or Events API if you want accurate conversion tracking. Click Preview to review how your ad looks on mobile before publishing. Click Submit, then monitor approval status and performance metrics in the reporting section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.